Hello everyone, welcome to RevGlue. Last month we published a blog explaining how our new tool RevImage actually works. So here you can see how this tool works. And there is also a video to learn how that tool works, very simple. In a couple of minutes you can understand that how it can help you convert all your images into e-commerce images. Now this video I'm making today is actually extension of this module. So let me show you the new element we have added in RevImage to help you get all the RevImages as one group as well to publish on your websites. So for that I will go to, for example, I can register and log in and go through that, but I'll show you the demo version as well. So if I click on try demo, and here in RevImage we have a new menu called My RevGroups. In My RevImages, how to create RevImage and understand the clicks, commission and payments reports. We already have the video as I just showed you, so you can watch that first if you haven't seen it. But then this video is about RevGroups and how you can actually combine your RevImages into one RevGroup. So here in one RevGroup, what happens basically? So you can let's create a new RevGroup first. So let's give it a title is fashion RevGroup, and then I can see three RevImages here. These are the three RevImages already created. They are my RevImages. So all my RevImages will show up here. So if I want to create a group with those RevImages, I can do that. So I can just select those RevImages. I can move them up and down as I like it, and I can just click on add rev because there are only three of them. It says thank you very much, get the code. So I can actually take the code now, copy the code and publish, for example, on my website. I can paste that code as a HTML version. I can paste it in my blog. What will happen, these three RevImages I have created, they will show up as a group. So for example, I can preview that here. Great, so here they are showing all three RevImages as a RevGroup. So if I click on that one, so I can see, okay, the products are showing up on top of that, so which is great. I can have as many RevImages as I like it on one page, and then publish the page on my website to show all of them at one placement. So this is a great tool for bloggers to create RevImages first and then create groups with those RevImages. Just to show you quickly, in RevImage what happens, you upload an image and then you tag the products with it, and then you get a simple piece of code to publish that particular RevImage instance, for example, on your website. And these are independent RevImages. In RevGroups you combine those RevImages to create a group. So for example, this RevImage here, if I preview that, that's the independent RevImage showing up here, but you could actually combine that and put it in your RevGroup as well if you like it, to create a RevGroup. So to create a RevGroup you already need RevImages. I hope it's clear, and if you have any doubts, if you need more explanation, please send us a message on support@revglue.com. Thank you very much.